Today, temperature 17, viewpoint, Niner, QNH 1028. Hexosatchel, advise ATC that you have copied information. November. This is Blackpool, airfield information. November, at time 1.
Blackpool approach, student Golf Alpha X-ray Sierra Whiskey at A&T with November, QNH 1028, request taxi.
Student Golf Alpha X-ray Sierra Whiskey, Blackpool, good afternoon again. November is current, the QNH correct, QFE 1027, taxi holding point Echo 2 via Bravo, Charlie and Echo.
QFE 1027, taxi to Echo 2 via Bravo, Charlie and Echo, Golf Sierra Whiskey.
Golf X Delta, next time over the weekend, you're clear for the ILS CME approach runway 28 on the QNH 1028, report Bravo Papa Lima Alpha.
Okay, into wind. Those are on the brakes, oils, temperatures and pressures are in the green. Mags are on both. Okay, toes on the brakes. RPM is set. Brakes are holding. Car peak set. Hot. RPM drop. Okay. And suction and ammeter. Okay, trim is set for takeoff, throttle friction knot is finger tight. Mixture is fully rich, mags are on both, mass switch is on, pitot heat is not required. Primer is in and locked, fuel is on, and we have plenty. Flaps aren't required. DI is blind. QFE is set. Ammo strapped in. Doors and windows are closed. Okay. Heartbeat's cold. Controls. Looking good. Okay. Golf Sierra Whiskey's Echo 2 ready for departure.
Golf Sierra Whiskey, Squawk 7010 via Echo 2, line up runway 28.
Squawk 7010 via Echo 2, line up 28, Golf Sierra Whiskey.
Golf from Echo Foxtrot Blackpool, good afternoon again. It's now information Oscar, no significant changes, QNH correct, and the Holyhead 1024.
Copy Oscar 1024. Flight 90 Delta, taxi for 28, please.
And Golf Delta Foxtrot copied, taxi holding point Delta 2 via Bravo and Delta.
Taxi holding point Delta 2 via Bravo and Delta, Golf Delta Foxtrot.
Golf Sierra Whiskey, runway 28, right hand circuit, clear for takeoff, surface wind 340 degrees, 11 knots.
Clear for takeoff, right circuits, Golf Sierra Whiskey. Okay, heels are on the floor.
Golf Delta Foxtrot, sorry, say again your POV.
Power is set.
Golf on board, 90 Delta.
Airspeed is alive, T's and B's are in the green. What a nice day.
Golf Delta Foxtrot via Delta 2, runway 28, clear for takeoff, surface wind 340 degrees, 10 knots.
Flight Delta 2, clear takeoff runway 28, Golf Delta Foxtrot. And X-ray Delta.
Go ahead.
Was that, on our first solo?
Negative.
Yeah, we're established at 7.4, X-ray Delta.
Thank you. Continue report 5 miles.
Yeah, roger, we're just going to slow down if it was.
Alright, right, thanks.
Okay, brakes are off, undercarriage is fixed, mixture is fully rich. Fuel is on and sufficient for the ground. Flaps on, not required as of yet. DI is aligned. Carby's coming on, and doors and windows are closed.
Golf Delta Foxtrot, free call Wharton Radar, 19.530.
42953, speak to you later.
In a bit.
Golf Sierra Whiskey's downwind, touch and go.
Golf Sierra Whiskey, report ready for turn base.
Wilco, Golf Sierra Whiskey.
And in fact, Golf Sierra Whiskey, if you can make your way towards right base now, report final, you'll be number 1.
Wilco, Golf Sierra Whiskey.
Traffic to TB10, not yet 5 miles, straight in, runway 28.
That's copied, Golf Sierra Whiskey.
Golf X-ray Delta, that's circular now on right base, runway 28.
Yeah, we're 5.4.
Perfect, thank you. Whiskey, clear touch and go, surface wind 320 degrees, 10 knots.
Clear touch and go, Golf Sierra Whiskey. Okay. Flaps are up. Wheels are on the floor. SV's aligned. These and B's are at the green.
Yeah, we're 2.5.
And Golf X-ray Delta, thanks for your help. Runway 28 clear to land, surface wind 340 degrees, 9 knots.
That's very Golf X-ray Delta.
Golf X-ray Delta, Delta Bravo to Hangar 3.
Delta Bravo to Hangar 3, Golf Victoria.
Golf Sierra Whiskey downwind to touch and go.
Golf Sierra Whiskey, report final.
Report final, Golf Sierra Whiskey. Brakes are off, undercarriage is fixed, mixture is fully rich, fuel is on and sufficient for a go-around, flaps aren't required as of yet, DI is blind, RV's coming on, ammo strapped in, doors and windows are closed. And Golf Sierra Whiskey's finals 28, touch and go.
Golf Sierra Whiskey, clear touch and go, surface wind 320 degrees, 12 knots.
Clear touch and go, Golf Sierra Whiskey.
Taxi for ground one, please.
And Golf Bravo, Papa Mike Foxtrot, Blackpool, good evening, and where would you like to taxi out? Charlie 1? No worries, taxi home point Charlie 1 via Bravo and Charlie, the QNH 102. How many on?
Oh, just me.
Oh.
Golf Sierra Whiskey's downwind to land.
Golf Sierra Whiskey, report final.
Report final, Golf Sierra Whiskey. Golf Sierra Whiskey's finals 28 to land.
Golf Sierra Whiskey 28, clear to land, surface wind 340 degrees, 9 knots.
Clear to land, Golf Sierra Whiskey.
And Golf Sierra Whiskey 31 and Alpha 20.
3 and a half 20, Golf Sierra Whiskey.